Remember, greatness, it lives within you.
Rise above the ordinary. See beyond the limits. Take action, show courage, and embrace your vision. This is your time to soar. Dream big.
Remember, greatness, it lives within you. So recognize, like diamonds, your greatness is already within you. It's merely waiting for it to be uncovered and polished. And once you grow into the right person, just like a boy has to grow into a man, you need to grow into your greatness. So greatness, however, takes time, and there's absolutely no shortcut to greatness. So make no mistakes. Greatness is not a title. Some people think that you get to a certain rank and you're great. No, greatness is not a title, nor is it an appointment you receive. No, it's not something that's just dished out. So don't be fooled.